We're live. Good evening from my side. Good morning and good afternoon from wherever part of the world you are. Welcome to my ninth episode of Rapid Business Fire Talk. So, kumuyin ka aning Rapid Business Fire Talk, guys. I have here lots of uh, guests for tonight. They will be answering this one question in depende nila kung pinaka kanang
Paspas.
paspas o ang pinaka kanang lipot nga ilang i-discuss about it. So this is Ryan Alexander Lim. I'm the face behind RKK Digital Biz. I'm a digital business owner. Same time, I'm a mentor to this digital business. So tonight, our $1 million question for tonight is why is now the best time to start a digital business? Or why now is the best time to start a digital business? Okay, so first and foremost, let's have our first guest for tonight. Okay, at Angel, is it okay? The floor is yours. Introduce yourself. Kay ikaw ang nasa ibabaw, ate. Go.
Para di na lang pag-ibog ko sir, ma-rotate na puntaan.
Lagi. Go, 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 ate.
Sige. Okay lang. Good morning, good evening, o good afternoon sa followers and to all the viewers that is watching this Rapid Fire Business Talk. I don't know if puros ta Bisaya din pero um, mayong hapon ug mayong buntag ug mayong gabi sa tibuok kalibutan tungod kay worldwide man ta. So every time zone pwede gihapon. So my name is Angel Crum. I am based sa US, mom of three, social worker by profession, and a proud digital business owner. So ang $1 million question is why now is the best time to start a digital business? Ngano tungod kay everyone wants to do online. As we all know, shopping is online. But convenient na gid kayo ang online, before I think na popular gid ang online business tungod sa COVID where everybody's locked down. We have to get our groceries, we have to get our necessities mo nang hunahuna ang mga tao. It's easier kung online na lang for safety purposes. But tungod sa growing technology and the advantages of being able to pay your bills online or naman gihapoy mga mga side effects about that pero daghan ang benefits than aside daghan benefits kontra sa not beneficial sa digital business. So nganong karon is because the growing technology, the growing ideas and marketing skills that is introduced in digital world is very very big and strong, and I think mag-continue pa jud na as years goes by because technology has improved so much nga super paspas na kaayo, ako gani unsa na ay ma-amaze jud ko kay mo ko restaurant na nanay robot nga magdadasi mong food, and I'm like, what happens to the next couple of years nga wa na jud tawo nga modo sa imong groceries before, in this I don't know, when I first moved here sa state, it used to be na jud cashier nga mo check out sa imong mga groceries. Now it's you can just check it out yourself. So there again, there are preventing costs to pay employees because there is technology. So why not now to grab your own business in your own comfort of your home, in the comfort of the park, and if you are traveling, take that opportunity. So, wala na, Brother Ryan, salamat.
Wow, wow, that's really great, Ate Angel. Sakto bitaw dito. Tinutana gyud Ate Angel daw when I came here sa USA. Na-shock jud ko kay hala, unsa man ning self
Self-checkout.
nga, self-checkout. So you have your credit card, ipasok ka na. Ing ani din ni karon wa na din ni mga cashier. So yeah, I would like to point out yun sometimes the job insecurity kay wa ta kay babaya in the near future kay kita po ko kausa sa Baguio, no. Dili na waiter ang mokuan sila, robot na bit na magda sa ilang food.
Bitaw.
There is already a restaurant there in Baguio ngayon na mo no, shock ko la. So dili gyud layo nga there is a possibility nga mapulihan jud tag robot. Okay.
Bitaw.
Or mapulihan ta with the existing AI right now. So job insecurity is one of the factor siguro nga nganong kanang mo start kitag ato pong own nga digital business.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you for that, Ate Angel. Okay, how about Sis Estella? The floor is yours. Go, sis. Unmute yourself.
Oh my God, ako na. Thanks, bro, for having me again.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for doing this because otherwise I won't have the initiative to
Mm.
do go live. Thank you so much, bro. I am so grateful.
You're
And
welcome.
yes, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching. Good afternoon in my side. I'm Estella. I'm currently in Sydney, Australia. Originally from the Philippines, a mom of two, and a registered nurse by profession, and also a very proud digital business owner. So the question for today is, why now is the best time to start a digital business? Well, yeah, thanks. That's a very wonderful question. So I would say now is the best time to start a digital business because the world is more connected than ever, right? So we are already living in a digital age, digital world. And also I love this saying that goes, this is a Japanese proverb, I think. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. So I'd say you will never be ready, and you should do everything now because if you won't do it now or today, you can't do it tomorrow, you can't do it next week, you can't do it next year, and so on and so forth. So the best time is really now. And also, the digital world is full of opportunities. It's just waiting to be tapped into. And also, yeah, it is. I think the pandemic also, the COVID pandemic, has pushed more people online. So we do shopping online. We do everything online. Our banking and everything is just online nowadays. And so making this digital business is the new normal. So yes, and this is your chance to adapt and grow in the changing market, changing environment. And also, for me, I'm working as a registered nurse, right? So I started in this business while I was still working full time because I'd say I still have the capacity to invest. And so this is just a plan B because I'm still working. So that's my plan A, and then this is the plan B, a side hustle. So I'm just doing this like part time, 2 to 3 hours a day or whenever I'm available. And yeah, so my goal, because the potential of this business is really good. So my goal is to retire not 60 because I want to enjoy life.
Yeah.
And I also love the flexibility of this business because I love to travel and you can take it anywhere. So starting this digital business today is easier than ever because with the potential of customers, you can reach all over
Mm.
the world. Yeah, it's just one tap, one click, and you're connecting with people all over the world. And
Mm.
also, every day you wait is a missed opportunity. And I also love this saying or quote: "Fortune favors the bold." So
Mm.
what does it mean? So it means that taking risk and being courageous often leads to success. So that's what we're doing. And it suggests that those who are willing to step out of their comfort zone and make bold decisions and also take action are more likely to achieve outcomes or rewards. In other
Mm.
words, good things happen to people who are brave enough to pursue their dreams or opportunities, grabbing those opportunities, and even if there are risks involved. So that's what we do. We are risk takers. So we tap into this because um, we were inspired and we saw the potential. At first, of course, we were skeptical because scam is so rampant all over the world. But well, we studied it before we joined, before we dig into it, and yeah, it's not a scam. So we saw the potential, we were inspired, and we're here for our future, and that's really great. So the best time is now. I think that's it for me, bro. Gihangak na ko. Thank you, bro. Back to
That's
you.
okay. That's okay, sis. Now, I would like to point out what you have said that the world is different right now. So it is expanding digital, or so say ang economy ba is expanding digitally. So sayo na kayo ang reach gyud bitaw with it, kay tungod sa aning internet, tungod sa online, sayo na kay i-reach bitaw ang people, even people that you don't know, mga strangers or other nationality, sayo na gyud kaayo, no, because it allow you to reach a global audience, breaking down geographical. So dili na mo matter karon maski naa pa sa Canada, na pa sa Australia, si Stella is from Australia, ako nasa US, so di na mo matter maski taglain-lain. Unlike with the traditional business, kung asa ra ini mong store, diha ra gyud within the locality ra gyud. So when you say digital, it is really expanding. So mo na grabe gyud ang reach ani nga business. And of course, makaingon po ka nga we are gearing towards the digital world naman po. So why not hop in? And I love your words, Sis Estela. Sometimes I will always say the world belongs to the brave. Because if you are not brave enough to chase for your dream, na magsige ra kag huwat-huwat, wa gyud mahitabos imong kinabuhi. So you have to grab every opportunity. So mo na now is the best time. So let's go now to the third one, Guillerma from Washington, ate. The floor is yours, ate.
Thank you, thank you. My name is Guillermo Nelson. I live here in Washington State, USA. I am mom and one beautiful girl, and I'm a seasonal employee. And I'm very proud to say that I am a digital business owner. So the question for tonight, oh, good morning and good evening, everyone, wherever we're watching right now. So the question that we answer for tonight, sorry, my daughter, why is now the best time to start a digital business? I think for me is because we don't want to miss an opportunity that the digital business offers. That, for example, the market is always changing. So it means if the market is changing, the price is increasing, and the investment is higher. So if we start now, so we can catch the investment that we are now, a lot of people can afford. So for example, if you're in the store and then you see that there is a sale that uh, what you had to one buy and then free the other one, of course you have to grab that opportunity to buy more. But if you wait until tomorrow, you go there and then it changed, so you miss the opportunity to buy more. So for me is starting early in this business is sooner you earn money and enjoy the benefits for, well, with it, and also the starting the business will take time and a lot of learning process. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ate Guillerma. Tinod bitaw, tinod bitaw. Kung di ka karon mag-start, magsige kag unya-unya pa. After the next year, magsige naman po nagka-increase, ka-increase, ka-increase ang investment. So, mo na nga the best time is now. Gyud kay kung the more ka magsige, next time na lang, di gyud na mahitabo. Okay, so before we'll go to our next guest, okay, allow me to shout out Sir Rai. Okay. Kitty Schrader, Ma'am Kitty. Thank you for watching, Ma'am Kitty. This is from, I think she is from Kansas, USA. Wow, shout out, Ma'am Kitty. Oh, di ba? Shout out nato na itong mga viewers. Okay. Ate Naifel. Ay, nga naman makadiri, Ate Naifel. Hello, guys. Watching from Davao City. Sige man ni siya. Ingon nga. Wala, nice ang topic. Huwag man kaming hop in, ate. Okay. So, anyway,
Hello.
okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching, Ate. And hello, guys, watching from the Philippines. Oh, Sis Jonah
Hello.
is having her vacation of her life right now in the Philippines. I think she is from Dubai, UAE, and she's having her vacation now in the Philippines. Thank you, Sis Jonah. So that's the beauty of the business, guys. You are vacationing, then the business is running on the background. So this is what is the digital system that we have. Okay, so next one is we have now Ati Joanne. Introduce yourself and then answer the
Okay.
question.
Okay. Hi everyone. Maayong buntag, maayong gabi ug maayong hapon sa tanan. I'm Joanne from Toronto, Canada, originally from Davao, Philippines, so Visayas said. So um, I'm a mom of three, a wife, and a proud digital business owner. So the question is, why now is the best time to start the digital business? So for me, um, now is the best time because like now is like the best opportunity, and then kumbaga kung karon man mo mag-start of business, so you will see like 10 months before, 10 months from now makita nimo ang resulta na kung mag-ingon pa kag sa sunod na di dugay po nimo makita ng resulta. So this is the best time to start so that when you start, and then syempre may step by step man na process to start this business. So like 1 month from now that you started, you see the result already. So kung mayong pa mo next month, so dugay-dugay pag gyud ang imong resulta. If karon ka mo start, so dali ra gyud ang resulta makita day nimo. So mao nang best time to start now. And then because of our business, dali ra gyud siya kay tanan man gud karon naa naman gud sa digital world. Kumbaga even dili lang sa mga businesses or kanang sa mga, di ba, sa mga investment, puro naman good sila. Halos kanatanan sa mga kuan nanagay sa internet, sa ano na jud siya, online na jud tanan, pati ang banking na natanan. So ang atong kuan ba kang economy or fast growing ang kuan nato, kumbaga tawag gani oy, ang technology. So paspas siya. So dapat kita pod na karon sad paspas po ta mo abot pod ana kay kung kumbaga trending ba, di ba, mobile trending karon na online world is the trending one. So tanan karon pati nang, di ba, naman po mag live o kanang magbaligya, di ba, magbaligya sila, mag-live sad sila. So ang kita lahi pud ta kay ato ka digital businessman ta. So why not start now kay kining among business kanang trending man o tanan na naana sa digital world. And also, kumbaga, automated siya. So, paspas o global, ang reach niya is globally. So, paspas po siya. So, mo nang akong kasulti, kung kamo nangita og side hustle na opportunity na dako ang potential og ang makitan po mong benefits, very kumbaga nice ang benefits sa mong online business. So, start right now and then you will gonna result the following month. So if may mo next month pa mo start, so dugay-dugay gyud. Pero karon mo start, so you're gonna see the result the following month. So that's it. Okay, bye. Okay, Rai, back to you.
Okay, that's really true. Sakto gyud Ate Joanne kay kanang kung imo pong i-base bitaw sa inflation right now that is happening right now. So kung ana gyud unya kung magpadugay-dugay ka nya di ka mo adjust with the technology and with the advancement of the online system right now, kanang mauwahin jud ka o mabiyaan jud ka. Kay even mga tindahan karon, even kanang nay mga kuan karon, they are already doing sponsored ads on the online space para makita pod even mga hotels, even mga sa plane in magkuha kag ticket, mga hotels or even mga tindahan, they have that one already nga kanang makita gid sa people nga kuan. That's why we are so proud. Mas matinga siguro sige minig live ni si Bro Ryan. Of course we are proud of our digital business because you don't know there is gold in our business, guys. So that's why we are always sharing it to you, and we want to share it to the people all around the world. Okay, so now is the time for Ate Marge. The floor is yours.
So, hi everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are watching right now. So, by the way, I'm the face behind Digital Venture by Marge Club. So, I'm Marjorie Club from New Hampshire, USA, a mom of two and a wife, and a proud digital business owner. So, the questions for tonight is why now is the best time to start a digital business? So, yes, there is no perfect timing to start a business. So the moment you see this live, So I guess this is the best time to start right now, so you don't let behind. Don't wait tomorrow, next week, next month. Today is the best day to start your business. Kay sa gipang istorya pa nila no na um, kailangan gyud nga mag-start ka karon kay the technology is growing so fast. So kung maghulat ka, magtan-aw ka sa amo ang result, so tama na lang kag tan-aw. Kumbaga maglaway lang. So kailangan gyud na mo grab gyud ka sa opportunity. O
Mapil pod.
di ba? O maghulat pa di ka, uy, naka 1 million na mi, ikaw tan-aw naglaway. So kailangan join jud ka na mo, di ba? Di na ka magpaulahi. So karon like for example sama ra gud na sa nag-shopping ka online, like Guillermo said, usa na kuan na kay mahilig sa online shopping. So like for example, there's a good deal, mahilig og shoes, bag, unya na ay 50% off. And then sometimes I do this like tomorrow because I don't have money right now. But sometimes like, oh, this is a good deal. Tomorrow they might change the price. And guess what? It changed the price. So, if you really want it, so you have to take it. That's the online shopping. But sometimes now I'm trying to save. So I was like, I have a lot of questions like, is this important? Is this helpful? I don't need it. So I move on. But this is the opportunity, guys. You have to, I know there's a lot of what if, then you have to change your negative into positive. What if I'm going to be a millionaire tomorrow? So yes, you will be if you believe in yourself and you have to do the business. So guys, now ang trending is online business. So you have to join us. You have to connect with us. So yes, that's all for me, bro.
Oh, I love that one. I love that one. Sis, bitaw bitaw kana usahay ba mga missed opportunities bitaw kay sa tinud-anay lang gyud the digital landscape is evolving rapidly. So mao bitaw po na
Yes.
ako nakaganahan ani atong training site kay kung unsay mga bag-o sa digital world, they will really adapt. Di ta magpawahi
Yes.
pod. Oo, di
Completely.
gyud mawahi atong digital business, and that is what I love about this, and kanang it is really masterfully crafted, no? Nya mao na akong gi-point out pod katong gingon ni Ate Guillerma ganina og ni Ate Marge ganina nga waiting to start can mean missing out on prime opportunities. So magsige ra kag what to what sunod na laman ay sunod na laman di gyud na mahitabo. So starting now ensures you that you don't fall behind, allowing you to capitalize on the current trends, capitalize on the current technology. So more gina ang gi-point out ani. So last but not the least, our very own Ate Jinky on the house. Ate, unmute yourself, ate.
Alright. Madungog ako, bro.
Yes, but may na-echo gamay. Or okay ra?
Naglanog-lanog. Okay ra na.
Naglalag.
Good na.
Wait.
Nindot na. Mura ka nag-mic. Mura ka nag-mic.
Good.
Sige,
So,
ate.
okay, thank you. Claro, I hope klaro lang ko. So, I'm Chinky. I'm a mom of 2 young adults. I'm a carer of a stroke warrior husband, and I used to teach online, but now I teach online at the same time, face to face, teaching English to Japanese students. So ngayon nag face to face because back in Japan right now they have school break. So medyo peak season ang ESL face to face karon diri. So mao nang naahat ko og face to face. And now I'd like to answer the $1 million question. Why now is the best time to start an online business? Because I experience it now. Like, let me represent the people working in the corporate world. So this is, I think, the last time I remember working was last year also, the same season, August. But back then, before 2020, I worked as a teaching assistant also. And I cannot imagine again doing that after finding this digital business. And nganong nag face-to-face ko karon because naikog ko naikog ko sa owner. They need a backup just so I said yes. And so now na feel jud na ako nga really people have to start digital business. Why? You cannot beat the traffic. Like right now it's 2024. You cannot imagine the next year and the following years the more on traffic. And so the stress level is so high. And then I said, I'm so dying to, to finish this in the third week of September. I so look forward to that third week of September because not ever again. I'm doing this, face to face. And I can just imagine people working every day for the rest of their lives. Like, I think, I know stresses, grabbing a stress, high level of stress will make you sick. And I've been there. I experienced how it is to be sick because of stress. So this is just to share. Now, if you want a healthy life, if you want to live longer, I think digital business is a way to go because you will just be doing your business whenever you have free time. Although, of course, it needs focus. Pero kung nara-focus sa balay and working on this, so maka-focus ka and at the same time, focus on your family. Like now, face-to-face ko, mabiyaan ko ni my family and I'm used to taking care of them like personally and kanang hands-on to as a mom and as a wife and to my 4 dogs. So like, please, people, if you love yourself, digital business is the way to go. To live healthy and to live longer, digital business is the way to go. And start it right now because this digital business, well, depende kung paspas jud ka mo trabaho, paspas jud ka mo, like, you want to leverage it and then work on it really, really focus, 100%. This will give you profit good like very soon. Depende sa imuhang eagerness and imuhang drive, so you can get the ROI as soon as you wanted it. So right now, start it right now. You don't want traffic. You don't want stress level, highest level of stress in the in the next few years. So start it right now. Mo lang na bro. Kasi yun ako ang stress right now. As much as you want to kanang escape from the stress, digital business is the way to go. Over to you, bro.
Okay, ate, wow. Sa tinun-anay, burag nakarelate ko ni mo, ana ate, kay I used to work face-to-face man before, but right now, since I'm already in the US, I'm working online with my students. And kato sa una, when I was in Cebu, mas stressful jud ko if I'm in Cebu compare kung mo travel ko sa other places. Kay in other places, when I do my lecture nga face-to-face, ang hotel ana, nara mas ubos ang venue or sometimes ang venue ana, malakaw ra 10 minutes, something like that. So, pwede ra ko mamatag alas 7. But when I am in Cebu, I need to wake up 4 a.m. Can you imagine that one, guys? In order to beat the traffic, para makaabot ko Cebu City, kay I'm from Lapu-Lapu, makaabot ko Cebu City 8 a.m. So, what I would like to point out is the constant commuting. The daily grind of commuting is time-consuming and exhausting. So, it's not only for those who are working in the corporate world, but also working in the healthcare industry, working in the mall, working in everywhere. You might be a CPA, you might be a lawyer, work as imong office. There is that everyday commuting. So, running a digital business eliminates the need for a commute, giving you back valuable hours each day to focus on building your business and enjoying life. So, mao na hang na-experience karon nga, hala, uy, kakapoy, manday mo balik og trabaho nga face-to-face or kanabit mo physically demanding nga mga job. Kapoy kay mo balik jud ing ana akoan. So, Mona, thank you so much Ate Jinky for that, and thank you for that realization also nga kanang it's not only about the digital world that is rapidly kanang unsa nga nani kanang evolving, but I guess when I summarize it, no, kung ako i-summarize tong gipang-ingon nilang tanan, no, number one is economic uncertainty, inflation, and of course the economic instability. So relying on one single income stream is really risky. Mo ginahang masulti. Number two, job insecurity. Well, I experienced that one during the global health crisis that even sa pinakamaayo, unya kung wala na face to face, wala na kay work. But of course, nurses, as a nurse also work in the hospital, you are secured in the job, but you are not I know you are secured in your job, but ang kakapoy di ka bayarag kwarta. Kay sometimes because
Dahil po ka matakdan yan. Matakdan.
Yes,
Ikaw ang
matakdan.
first na matakdan. Kaya ito man
sakto
ang
jud ka
healthcare.
ate.
Yeah.
Sakto
So,
jud ka
you're the
ate.
first,
Oo, okay. Unya napadyoy timing kay matakdan ka, so why mo puli nimo, so ikaw ma-force ka instead na 12 hours ra imong duty, mo 16 hours ka. Di ba? Mo 16 hours ka, mo ana. So mao na ang imong health is at stake, as one of our guests have told us. Then the work-life balance is very very important right now. And of course, kung i-compare nimo sa traditional business o ang online business, guys, mao ni lang mo ingon na sila, ay mahal mo kayo. How much more ang traditional business? Millions na. So mas higher startup cost ang traditional. So online business now is the trend, no? And of course, ang kanang growth, guys, is unlimited yun. Mao gyud ni ang pinakakuan unya. So mao na. So we need to work ourselves right now. So I think, guys, that's it. But of course, before we will end this one, I would like to invite you to our free webinar every Tuesday and Wednesday. Ganina, it's 8 p.m. EST on our time, and Thursday. So if you want to learn more about this digital business, connect with these people here. We have at the Angel, we have www.angelcram.net. Then Estella is www.estelavano.com. And Ate Marge is www.margeclough.com. Then Ate Joanne is www.joanduran.com. Then Ate Guillerma is Ate Guillerma, wait lang. I need to I cannot read your website. Okay. www.thenelsonglobalonlinebusiness.com. And of course, Ate Jinki's Ate Jink, what is your website, Ate Jinx? Ay, wait lang. I need to unmute you, Ate Jink. Okay. www.jinkionlinebazaar.com. So I think that's it, guys. So if you are inquiring or if you want to learn more about our digital business, connect with these people. Especially if you are following our live on their business page, connect with them. So salamat kay ninyo matanan mga ate, ha. Okay, thank you. It was such a wonderful wonderful sharing. Okay, wonderful sharing. And God bless you all. Salamat ninyo.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.